Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share multiple contacts at once on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. To share multiple contacts at once on iPhone, you need to be in the Contacts app. So begin by opening the Contacts app on your iPhone. Now it's time to choose the contacts you want to share. To do this, hold down 2 fingers on your screen and swipe down across the contact list. This will allow you to select multiple contacts efficiently. Once you've selected your contacts, tap and hold on any one of them. A menu will pop up, offering various options like copy, share, and delete. Just tap the share option. You might see a confirmation prompt. Simply tap done to proceed. This is where you choose your destination. The menu will display a variety of options for sharing your contacts, including AirDrop, messages, mail, and popular messaging apps like Telegram and WhatsApp. Select the platform you prefer to share your contacts with. By following these steps, you've successfully shared multiple contacts at once on your iPhone. Note, you can share up to 500 contacts simultaneously using this method. If you choose email, the contacts will be sent as V-cards. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.